Is your iPad restarting over and over? Maybe it keeps showing Apple logo, randomly reboots while you are using it, or won't stay on long enough to use. The good news is that in many cases, this is caused by a software issue that you can fix yourself. In this video, I will show you the best ways to stop your iPad from restarting, starting with the easiest fixes and moving to more advanced solutions. Let's get started. First, identify what's happening. If your iPad is stuck on the Apple logo and keeps restarting without reaching the home screen, it's likely in a boot loop. If it starts normally but randomly restarts while you are using it, the issue could be caused by an app, a software bug, or even a hardware problem. Knowing which type of restart you are experiencing will help narrow down the issue. A temporary software glitch can sometimes cause continuous restarts. To force restart your iPad, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the top button until the Apple logo shows up. If you have an older iPad that has a home button, press and hold both the home button and the top or side buttons together until you see the Apple logo. If your iPad starts normally afterward, the problem may have only been temporary. Next, charge your iPad. A nearly depleted or unstable battery can sometimes trigger unexpected restarts. Connect your iPad to an Apple certified charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes before turning it on again. If possible, use the original charging cable and power adapter. If your iPad storage is almost completely full, iPadOS can become unstable. Open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on iPad Storage. If your iPad storage is nearly full, delete large files, apps, old downloads, videos, and other unnecessary stuff. Try to keep at least 5 to 10 gigabytes of free space available. Did the restarting begin after installing a new app? A buggy or incompatible app can repeatedly crash iPadOS. Delete any apps you installed just before the problem started and see if it helps. Outdated apps can also cause crashes after an iPadOS update. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture, and install any available app updates. Then restart your iPad. Apple regularly fixes software bugs that can cause unexpected restarts. To fix this, open the Settings app, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. If an update is available, install it. If your iPad keeps restarting before you can update it, don't worry, we will cover recovery mode later in this video. If you're running an iPadOS beta, the beta itself may be causing instability. Back up your data, remove the beta profile if applicable, and restore your iPad to the latest public version of iPadOS. Many random restart issues disappear after leaving beta software. If incorrect settings or corrupted system preferences are causing the issue, try resetting all settings. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Here, tap on Reset, and finally tap on Reset all settings. This won't erase your photos, apps, or personal data, but it will reset Wi-Fi passwords, wallpapers, and system settings. If your iPad is stuck in a boot loop and won't fully start, recovery mode may help. Connect your iPad to a Mac or a PC, open Finder on a Mac or iTunes on Windows. Put your iPad in recovery mode. When prompted, choose Update first. This reinstalls iPadOS without erasing your data. You can find complete tutorial on how to put an iPad in recovery mode in the description of this video. If the update doesn't work, repeat the process and choose Restore instead. Keep in mind that restoring your iPad erases all data, so you will need a backup to recover your files. If recovery mode doesn't solve this problem, you can try a DFU restore. DFU mode performs the deepest possible reinstall of iPadOS and firmware. Because the button sequence differs between iPad models, check out our detailed DFU tutorial linked in the description. If your iPad continues to restart, it may be experiencing hardware failures. Open the Settings app, tap on Privacy and Security. Here, find and tap on Analytics and Improvements, and then tap on Analytics Data. If you see multiple files named Panic Full, especially with recent dates, it often indicates a hardware issue rather than a software problem. If you're using external storage, keyboards, USB hubs, or other accessories, disconnect them. A faulty accessory can occasionally interfere with normal operations and trigger unexpected restarts. If your iPad becomes excessively hot, it may automatically restart to protect its internal components. Remove any thick case, stop demanding tasks like gaming, and allow the device to cool before using it again. If you have tried every software fix and your iPad still keeps restarting, the problem is likely hardware related. Possible causes include a failing battery, damaged internal storage, logic board failure, liquid damage, damage from a drop, and a faulty power button. These issues usually require professional help. If your iPad is still under warranty or covered by Apple Care Plus, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider. Those are the best ways to fix an iPad that keeps restarting. If one of these solutions worked for you, let us know in the comments which fix solved the problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to iOS Hacker for more Apple tips and troubleshooting guides, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.